Hello, children. Welcome back to the English class. Last time we had done articles and we had learned about the article the. You also saw the video how to pronounce THE. Okay, today we'll continue with articles A and N. Do you remember the discussion of unicorn? Okay, so today we'll learn what comes before unicorn, A or N. So let's continue. But before that, let us revise. What are articles? Articles are words that are used to clarify whether a noun is specific or not specific. We had discussed about what is specific and what is not specific. Let us take an example. I met an artist who paints only landscapes. मैं एक आर्टिस्ट से मिला था जो सिर्फ लैंडस्केप पेंट करता है. Now here I am talking about an artist. Now this artist is not a specific artist. It can be any artist. Here I am not talking about any particular person. Here it is just said that I met an artist. So here there is no specific person. Here we are talking about a general person who paints landscapes. So here we have used N instead of the. Now let's see the next sentence. The landscape hanging in our living room has been made by me. जो लैंडस्केप मेरे लिविंग रूम में हैंग किया है वो मैंने बनाया है. Now here we are talking about a specific picture that is in the living room. So here we have used the in front of landscape. So this is the difference between the articles A, N and the. Okay, three words as we discussed last time, A, an and the are called articles. We also pronounce THES the. Okay, so A, an and the are called articles. They are divided into two groups, definite articles and indefinite articles. So the is definite article and A and N are indefinite articles. When do we use A? We use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. Now this is what we had learned in our lower classes. And when do we use N? We use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. What are vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are the sounds that starts from the letter A, E, I, O, U. Please listen it again. That begins with a vowel sound. Here I have not mentioned which starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. So if the letter starts from A but it doesn't sound with the letter A, then we do not write N. Okay, let's see the example. There is a park in front of my house. So park, it starts with the sound P. So we write A in front of park. An elderly man tells us a story in the park every day. Elderly. A. So it is the vowel sound. So we write N in front of elderly. There are some words, as I said, which may begin with a vowel but may have a consonant sound. In such cases, we use A before the word. Now, in these cases, the pronunciation of U is YU, that is Y. And Y is a consonant, it is not a vowel. And so, we write A instead of N, as we had talked in unicorn. So, what is it? It is a unicorn, not an unicorn, because it has a y sound, not u sound. Okay, here are some children who are discussing. He says, I saw a picture of an unicorn in a book. Our teacher told us that unicorns are imaginary creatures. Is that true, Ria? Ria says, Sam, you say a unicorn? It's not a unicorn, not an unicorn. So, how do we spell unicorn? UNICORN, unicorn. So, the sound is y. So, the answer is a unicorn, not an unicorn. Let's see some other examples. This is a unique opportunity for you to enjoy your holidays, do some creative work. So, unique, that is, the word starts with a vowel U, but the sound is Y. So, it is a unique, not an unique. Let's see another example. A student is required to wear a uniform. Again, uniform starts with U, but the sound is Y. So, we write a uniform. Some words begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound. Now see, this is totally opposite. But let us see what is the rule. Let's see an example. The captain of the regiment is an honorable man. Now here you can see I read it as honorable, not honorable. Why? Because here H is silent in honorable. The word begins with the vowel sound A and we spell it as O. So, O. O is a vowel sound. So, we say it as an honorable man. Let's see another example. The soldiers are allowed to rest for an hour after their meals. Now, we don't say an hour. It is not hour, it is hour, or we say it as an hour. So, here the H is silent and it has got a vowel sound A. Now let's see the another rule. If a word begins with a vowel but is pronounced in the way as Y in yet, पहले हमने U देखा था, अभी Y है. So we write A and not N before it. As we say it in a university. It is not an university because though it has U, though U is a vowel, but we have the sound Y. So, university. European. So, Y. Again the Y sound. And so it is a European, not an European. Okay. So A and N or A or N are used only before singular countable nouns. When they are used before singular countable nouns. Singular and plural you have already learned. Singular is when there is a single thing and plural means many. Now countable nouns. What are countable nouns? We have learned in nouns that the things that can be counted. We say 2 pencils, 5 notebooks, 7 sharpeners. So they can be counted. So in front of the countable nouns we write A or N. For example, a book, a city, an animal. Now, there is another rule that A or N should be used before the adjective if these singular countable nouns have an adjective before them. Now, adjectives also we have learned. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe the verb. कोई भी verb को कोई भी नाउन को जो डिस्क्राइब करता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एन एडजेक्टिव. सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. अ बिग सिटी. सो हाउ इज द सिटी? द सिटी इज बिग. सो द adjective is big, and so it starts with the consonant b, with the consonant sound b, and so we write a big city, a fine book, an ignorant person. Now here we have the vowel sound I, so we write an ignorant person. The next rule says use a after the word such when it is applied to things which are uncountable. So the things which are uncountable we write A. I have never known such a cold winter. The second example is such a thing has never happened before. तो ऐसा मेरे साथ पहले कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. So there we put A. Now let's have a comparison between the different articles. A and N are indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite article. When we talk about something for the first time, we use an indefinite article. जब हम किसी के बारे में पहली बार बात कर रहे होते हैं. For example, when we say Amar is going with his parents on a trip to Kerala. So, he is going for a trip. But we are talking about that word or we are talking about that event for the first time. So, we write a trip. Now, when we talk about it or anything again, we use the. अब वो ट्रिप पे जा रहा है. Now when we are describing about the trip or when we are saying something more about the trip, say for example, they have arranged the trip through a travel agent. अब ट्रिप तो उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज कर दी है तो पहली बार हमने ए लिखा. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ट्रिप वी आर सेइंग दैट they have arranged the trip through a travel agent. So when we talk about it again, then we use the. So they have arranged the trip through a travel agent. Okay, so this is all about articles. Hope you have understood the rules of A and N. Now I hope next time when you are asked about writing the articles a, n or the, you will come to know which article should be placed in the blanks, and you will also know when to pronounce the and when to pronounce the. Okay, if you have any doubt related to the topic, you are free to ask me anytime. Have a nice day. Thank you.